547,000 jobs gone by 2026. That's the McKinsey report nobody's talking about right now. Today, artificial intelligence is replacing entire departments. Not in 10 years. Next year. ChatGPT's new Canvas feature just replaced 12 graphic designers at Fortune 500 companies. Last month, Claude's code generation handles 94% of junior developer tasks. Full replacement, no human needed. Microsoft's Copilot already displaced 47,000 customer service roles. Q3 2024. This is happening. Your job might be next. Check the list. Automation is coming for accountants, coders, designers, copywriters, and analysts. The data shows 3.2 billion jobs at risk globally. Your salary is on the clock. These 5 tools work 24/7 without breaks, without complaints, without benefits. They cost less than 1 employee. This is not speculation. This is your reality. In 2026, subscribe now or get left behind. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. AI, every day.